Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, well, this is my very first video, which is Aqua vlog. So, our task in this video is to showcase the goodness, the beauty, and the benefits of the aquatic ecosystem here in our community. Well, in this place, the only aquatic ecosystem in here is creek, which in our mother tongue is sapa. So for you guys to know, creek is a natural stream of water, normally smaller than and often tributary to a river. So what are we waiting for? Tara na! So after a while of walking, we can see the creek from here. Yes, that is the creek, but we need to move a little more to see it closer. Finally, we are here now. Because of the rainy season, the water level increased, and look at the currency of the water, it became so strong. Aquatic ecosystems include oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, estuaries, and wetlands. Within these aquatic ecosystems are living things that depend on the water for survival, such as fish, plants, and microorganisms. These ecosystems are very fragile and can be easily distributed by pollution. All living things within an ecosystem share the same watershed. This sapa is one of the source of food for the people in here. They are using this DIY fishing rod to catch fishes. Living organisms in the sapa includes talusog or snakehead fish, kasili or eel, tilapia or St. Peter's fish, and hito or catfish. Hi guys, it's me again. So for the continuation of this vlog, last month we went to Malabsay Falls. It is located in Panikwasan, Naga, but at that time I didn't know that we should do a vlog for aquatic ecosystem, so I didn't able to vlog in there, but I have some video clips and photos that showing Malabsay Falls. I'm going to show it to you. It is believed that about 70% of the surface of the planet Earth is covered by water. The greater part of the Earth's water is ocean, or contains seawater. Only 3% of the water on the surface is fresh. 30% underground, less than 1% is located in lakes, rivers, and swamps. This means water on Earth as a habitat for many tiny organisms, medium and large water animals is very significant, and together becomes the aquatic biome. Visiting waterfalls have health benefits. It includes improved mood and mental health, exercise, good respiration, and optimization of limited time on Earth. So these are my photos at Malabsay Falls.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
And that's it. Malabsay Falls have undeniable aesthetic beauty that you didn't need to go in Manila Bay just to see dolomite white sand for your mental health. So now the question is, how can we help to maintain and rehabilitate that kind of aquatic ecosystem? So as a student, we can do simplest thing, but that simple things can do big impact to maintain the cleanliness of that aquatic ecosystem. Just like don't throw any waste or garbages, because as I observed to the creek, There are some garbages in the side. Those waste can kill living organisms and pollute the area. Another to the waterfalls, if you're a tourist and you're visiting in there, we can do clean as you go. And lastly, don't waste any water even if it is convenient to you, because the water that you are receiving from the faucet is just came from the river, the lakes, and any other aquatic ecosystem that we knew.